Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer coming to you from Children's Museum Houston. Today I'm joined by my friend Sammy. Sammy, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. This is my 40th time I've been here. I explored the whole entire time. I climbed the power tower.
Very cool.
With no shoes on.
With no shoes on. We have to wear shoes in the power tower, otherwise we'll be like, shoot on.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Just kidding. Well, Sammy, welcome back to the museum for maybe your 41st time. And here at the museum this week, we are working on our Warrior King masks. If you come visit us here at the Children's Museum Houston, we have these templates here. You can color them in like my friend Sammy is doing right now. You can cut them out, add hole punches in the side with some yarn, and wear these super awesome masks. Now, if you want to do the same activity at home, you definitely can. This mask or something that looks kind of like it is available if you look around on the internet a little bit. Ask an adult to help you with that. Otherwise, you can just try drawing it yourself. We need to make sure we get our cool panther ears. We want to make sure we have spaces for the eyes and for the mouth. And then, of course, we can add some of these cool textures and patterns to our mask as well. So, Sammy's already coloring his in, cutting his out, so I need to catch up a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing with mine. We'll add our hole punches in our yarn, and we'll show you what they look like. Now, if you have to cut out the eyes or the hole for the mouth, one little trick for my friends at home, if you kind of fold the paper in half and just cut a little V out like that, and then you could even cut it into a triangle, then it's easy to get your scissors through, and you can keep cutting around the edges. Like that, exactly. Perfect, nice. I forgot how to tie a bow. There it is. Cool. All right, pull it up just a teeny bit. What do you think? Nailing it. I made an adult-sized mask. All right, Sammy, you gonna wear it sideways? Wait, try a thing. Here, look at the camera, and then look off to the side. And then back at the camera, and then off to the side. We can't tell if we have Sammy or the superhero. We can see both versions at the same time. Sammy, what'd you think of your mask?
Good.
Pretty cool superhero?
Yeah.
Awesome. Sammy, thank you very much for joining me. Can you say bye to everybody at home? Bye! Thank you all very much for coming for joining us here for our
What is the
video.
YouTube channel called?
Oh, I will totally tell you. And actually, our friends at home, you can subscribe by clicking on the like button below. But it's our Children's Museum Houston YouTube channel, where you can see all sorts of different videos involving crafts and art and science and everything. He's going to go climb the power tower. Thank you, everybody, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.